In this video, we'll look at how to install Windows 11 on our Virtualbox. So we'll begin by downloading the ISO file for Windows 11. So just open a browser and search for Windows 11 download. Then go to Microsoft's website, click on the link, and then here you'll have different options as far as the installation type you're looking to do. We're looking to install a virtual machine. We'll go with this option, download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. So before you begin, you can look at the requirements here, and then so there is different kind of information you'll get. So once you're done with that, just click on download now. We'll select Windows 11 ISO, and then we'll do download. So the product language, just select whichever language you want to go with. I'll go with English. Then you can click on 64-bit download, and that should start downloading the file. It's about 5.4 gigs, so it might take a while. It might take a while to complete depending on your internet speed. So I already downloaded this file, so I'm not gonna download it again. Now to begin the installation on Virtualbox, we'll go to New. We'll give it Windows. We'll give it a name. Say Windows 11. This is the default folder where it's gonna be installed. We'll click on next. We're not going to select the ISO image yet. The type is Microsoft Windows and it's Windows 11. So we don't need to change anything. We'll go with the defaults here. We'll go to next. Defaults again. Defaults. We'll click on finish. Click on settings again. Go to storage. Now the disk is empty. We need to point to the ISO file. So click on that icon for your optical drive, and then go to choose a disk file. Go to where you downloaded your ISO image for Windows 11. Double click on it to select it, and it should show up here. Now you can click OK. Now you can start the machine. So the machine is powering up. So just press any key. Just press any key on your keyboard. Okay, this is the next page, Windows Setup. Just select your language, and then time and currency format on the keyboard. Then click on Next, click on Install Now. Okay, this is the next window we get. I'll go with I don't have a product key. And then I'll go with Windows 11 Pro. Click on Next. Here, just accept the license terms. Click on Next. If you already have Windows, you can do an upgrade, but this is a new install. We'll go with Custom. We'll go with Next. Now it's going to start copying files and getting everything ready. This is going to take a while, so I'll pause the video here and come back once it's complete. So the system is restarting. So it looks like the pre-boot is almost complete, so this took several minutes. So it's still checking for updates, and this is taking a while as well. So still not completed yet. We're still waiting. So it looks like it's getting close. It looks like it's getting closer to being done here. So in this window, we'll give the computer a name. I'll set this up for personal use. Click next. On this page, you have to put in your Microsoft account, username or email. So once you've added your email, you'll be asked to create a PIN. You can create a PIN here. This is going to be used for logging in. Now you can go with the defaults here, or you can just remove all this. Click accept. I'm going to skip this. I'm going to decline this. Decline. Skip for now. So it's checking for updates again. Click next. And the installation is finally done, and here we are at the Windows 11 desktop. So we can close this window by just clicking on this, which should minimize it. And we already have Microsoft Edge installed. Down here we have the start menu, we have the file explorer, and then here we have time. So that's it for this video. That's how we install Windows 11 on Virtualbox. I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks. Bye.